Alright, hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. It's me, John Elsung of course. So for today's vlog, another informative vlog na naman ang aking i-share sa inyo, and this time it's all about, ayan, para sa mga GSIS pension or para sa mga GSIS member dyan, no? So this is good news para sa inyo kasi i-flex ko lang or i-share ko lang sa inyo yung ginawa kong loan para sa kanilang para sa tinatawag na Ginhawa Flex. So if matagal na kayong GSIS member guys, no, alam nyo yung former name nitong Ginhawa Flex is yung multi-purpose loan. So sa mga matagal na sa GSIS, ang Ginhawa Flex is yung former multi-purpose loan wherein pwede kang mag-loan up to 5 million pesos depende sa dami ng hulog nyo at depende rin sa laki ng hulog nyo at depende rin sa tagal ng paghuhulog nyo sa GSIS. So ako guys, almost years na rin. So wala pa naman akong 5 years na naghulog sa GSIS. Siguro mga mga 4, mga ganun, 3 or 4 years. So meron ng laman, pwede na akong mag-loan dito sa Ginhawa Flex ng GSIS. So, ayan guys, tuturo ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-loan, step by step procedure. Quick vlog lang guys. So, first of all, dapat meron kayong GSIS Touch App dahil dito nyo na monitor lahat ng mga loans nyo at lahat ng mga pwede nyo i-loan. Yan. So, loan lang ng loan. Utang lang ng utang, guys. Punta muna kayo sa inyong GSIS Touch App and then sa available loan. So, meron akong ditong, ito, sabi dito yung Ginhawa Flex. Ayan. To give you an idea, guys, Ginhawa Flex kasi is a former multi-purpose loan. Yan, yun yung tawag dito before sa mga matagal nang naguhulog or matagal na member ng GSIS. And then, kumbaga dito kasi, if nagwo-work kayo sa government, no, yung bayad nyo dito sa GSIS is, kumbaga half sa'yo and then half sa inyong employer. Ayan, so, yan, hindi lahat ikaw yung magbabayad dito sa inyong GSIS. So, alam naman lahat ng mga member yan. So, anyway, start na tayo guys. So, sabi dito, consolidate and restructure due and demandable loans except policy in housing loan. So, ayan. Ginhawa Flex, ayan o. Yan. Meron akong gross amount na 120,096 pesos. Ayan. Deduction is 8,000 pesos. So, hindi ko makukuha na buo yung 120,000. So, ang mangyayari is, ang take home lang is, net amount is 112,087.95. So, ayan, check muna natin kung ilang years siya pwedeng bayaran. Ayan, hanggang 3 years lang pala siya pwedeng bayaran. And then, ang pwede mong ma-loan is from, minimum loan amount is 30,000 and maximum loan amount is 120,000. So, yun. Pwede mo siyang ma-loan na buo. And then, interest rate is 6%. And then, monthly installment ko is 3,975.80 payable for 3 years. So, not bad, no? Ano na rin yun? Mababa lang naman. So, ang rules pala dito, guys, kapag nag-loan kayo sa GSIS, make sure na yung sahod nyo is, merong limit sa sahod nyo kapag mag-loan kayo. Halimbawa, nag-loan kayo ng dito, Ginhawa Flex, and then, yung sahod nyo is, yung take home nyo sa sahod nyo is, medyo mababa. So, hindi tatanggapin ng GSIS yung loan nyo kasi nga, yung take home nyo is mababa lang. So, make sure na wala kayong previous loan or mataas pa yung makukuha yung sahod kapag naglo-loan kayo dito sa GSIS. So, ayan guys. So, click lang natin itong purpose of loan. So, pili na kayo. And then, click nyo tong mga I have read and agree and to the terms and condition and I confirm that I am an active member as of the date of loan. So, ito yung rules sa application and I understand that any misrepresentation may lead to charges filed against me by the GSIS. So, kaya active member kayo ng GSIS and tuloy-tuloy ang inyong paghuhulog. So, if gusto nyo na at nakita nyo na yung computation, yung deduction, net loan amount, and agree naman kayo doon, click nyo lang tong submit loan application. Proceed with Ginhawa Flex application. Yes, apply for loan. Ayan, identity verification. We will now verify your identity via facial authentication. So, please allow GSIS Touch to access your camera. Prepare yourself to take a selfie and Are you ready? So yes, I am ready. Sabi dito, you have up to 1 attempt to complete this transaction. If your attempt fails, please wait 7 calendar days before trying again. So kailangan talaga maayos yung pagkaka-selfie nyo. Kasi once na mali daw yung or hindi authentic or mali yung pagkaka-selfie nyo, hindi akma sa kanilang mga terms and conditions, so mag-wait ka pa ng 7 calendar days before trying again. So, click natin itong I understand, and then your capture photo will be saved in our system for documentation purposes. So, proceed. And tonight, selfie time. Let's verify your identity. Fast and easy, security and privacy assured. Okay, click lang natin itong get started. So, selfie tips. Please remove spectacles, hats, and masks. A clearly visible face will get approved. So, ano naman to kumbaga hijab friendly sa mga kababayan nating Muslim. And make sure na wala kayong face mask and wala kayong salam. Okay naman yung salamin, basta wag lang yung shade and wala kayong cap. Click lang natin tong proceed to take a selfie. Ayan. So, and then would like to access the camera, allow. Okay, selfie na tayo guys. Ayan guys, yun. Congratulations! Thank you for verifying your identity. Your application has been approved. Well, redirecting in 5 seconds. So madali lang siya. You have successfully submitted your loan application. So updates to your loan application should now be reflected under the applied loans section. So mag-wait lang tayo ng 1 to 2 days guys before natin malalaman kung approve na ang ating loan. Malalaman naman natin dito sa available sa dito sa natin applied loan. So meron akong multi-purpose loan in process for AAO approval. Date apply July 5, loan amount 120, net amount 112. So meron akong previous na emergency loan. So meaning guys, if meron pa kayong previous loan from GSIS like me, meron akong emergency loan, so pwede pa kayong mag-loan ng multi-purpose loan. So sa mga magtatanong if pwede bang doble-doble yung loan. So yan, nakikita nyo naman, may emergency ako and then may MPL ako or yung Ginhawa Flex. So, ibig sabihin, pwede. Yan, madali lang talaga mag-loan sa GSIS. Kasi, yung payment kasi wala namang problema doon. Kasi, dinideduct naman directly from your employer. Lalo na if, government, sa LGU kayo, yung deduction is, kumbaga, automatic na siyang nade-deduct. Hindi ikaw yung hindi ka na problema na magbayad pa sa mga payment center o sa mga online banking app. Well, anyway guys, so ayun lang guys. So hopefully guys, makatulong tong vlog ko, and if nagustuhan nyo para sa mga GSIS members, don't forget to LSS, like, share, and subscribe. So thank you very much guys for watching, and hope to see you again sa aking next video. Ito pa rin si Jonel.